Hello and welcome back to the channel, where today we are going to be looking at the Maxita Stitching Pony. Thank you very much for Maxita for sending this out to me. I've been using it now for around 2 weeks, so I've got a very good idea on how it works. And I'll tell you a secret, it's the best stitching pony I've ever used. And I've not been paid to say that. So yeah, let's see what we get in the box. So in the box, you get your Allen keys, you get the clamp for the arms, you get the clamp that goes onto the table, you get the arm that connects on to the stitching pony, and of course, the stitching pony itself. Now, you will notice there are no instructions. However, if you can make a card holder, you can work out how to do this, but I will show you anyway. It's really simple. You can't get it wrong. So on the silver part of the stitching pony, you will see 2 little grub screws. Basically what you want to do is grab your arm, which has 2 holes in it. You want to slide it over the edge so you can see them screws. Grab your Allen keys, it's a 4mm Allen key, and simply just tighten these up until they grab. You don't have to go crazy with it. And then I like to just give it a good old nip to make sure it doesn't move. You don't have to go excessively tight, just nice and nipped. So now you want to grab the clamp itself along with an 8mm Allen key, offer it up to the table, and simply just start tightening it up. You can go relatively tight with this, don't be scared with it. And that is solid. So now we are going to grab the clamp that the stitching pony is actually going to clamp into. Now, if you want the stitching pony to come out of the left side, you will orientate it like this. If you want it to come out of the right side, you simply just flip it over. I prefer it on the left side. So simply drop it down, tighten it up, and again, that is going absolutely nowhere. And the final step of the process is to grab the stitching pony itself, slot that in as so, tighten it up, and there we have it, a stitching pony attached to the table. Now, one thing I do love about this stitching pony, obviously now it's in a position where I can stitch standing up. However, some days you'd like to sit down. It is this easy to adjust it. So simply loosen off the stitching pony, clamp from the table, pull it out, flip it upside down, attach it to the table, tighten that up again against the table, lift this clamp up, like so. Turn this little knob on the front of the stitching pony, and there we have it, a fully working stitching pony sat down. So again, I'll literally just show how quick and easy it is to go from a seated position to a standing position. So flip that upside down so it's ready to go. Undo that, loosen this one off so it can drop down. Flip it over, put it back on the table, and then we will just tighten up, oh, in the wrong way, tighten up that screw that's in the center of the clamp. Make sure it's nice and snug, bring it up to height, and there we are. What was that? Less than 30 seconds, completely different position. And I have seen other people attach it to chairs, beds. There's even a post about a chap that is in a wheelchair and he's attached it to his wheelchair. What you can actually do with this tool is incredible. Like, the world's your oyster. You can put it anywhere you want, really. As long as that clamp fits in, you're fine. So as I said earlier, to adjust the actual stitching pony itself, This knob on the front, just give it a counterclockwise turn and you literally have all this movement. Tighten it back up and it is rock solid. The actual build quality of this tool is insane. To release the Stitching Pony from whatever work you're clamping in the tool, you literally lift this little lever on the side and that's it, the tool has released. So this little knob inside is actually the adjustment for the claws. So you can actually wind this out relatively far. I don't know what pieces you would have this thick, but it does have a natural stop, which I really do like. It means you can't overextend the jaws and you've got parts falling everywhere and then you've got to build it all back up. So for all the technical nerds out there like myself, this is the jaws as wide as they will open. Grab my steel rule and it is measuring at 27 millimeters, so 2.7 centimeters. Now, I do have my leather on either side as protection, as I have been using this for 2 weeks. So without the leather, if you opt to not put leather as a bit of cushioning, it's probably going to be about 30 millimeters. So now I'm simply going to release the handle, tighten this back up, and I'm going to put in my card holder, clamp it down, and that has got it nice and tight. When you're stitching, there's, you know, that's not going to move realistically. You're going to be able to stitch nice and clean down the edges. Even your burnishing, you're going to be able to make a nice burnish with how this clamps. It is honestly rock solid. So another feature to point out, and it shows how well this has been thought through. On the side, there is a little circle. There's another one on this side as well, and it is to actually hold your needles. So if you're working away, need to adjust, but you don't want your needles to drop down, you've got a magnet on the side. And also, once you're finished working on your piece, there is actually a cork needle holder in the top of the clamp, which again, really well thought out. Love the design. So that sums up pretty much the Maxita Stitching Pony. Now, I said this at the start of the video, I have not been paid to endorse them. This has been sent out to review and get hands-on experience with it, and it's completely changed my game. This is what I was using. It was cheap, it was good, don't get me wrong, it was good. It was cheap. However, it was screwed to my table, as you can see there, 2 screws. Didn't have much flexibility with it. Whereas with this thing, you could take it outside, put it on your coffee table outside in the sun and stitch away. It's honestly amazing. Now, if you would like to grab one of these stitching ponies, there is a link down below in the description. If you use Hancox 5 at checkout, you will get 5% off your order. So thank you very much for watching this video. I hope it's been informative. I hope you've got some good information. So if you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next one.